General election. Ipac expresses dissatisfaction over irregularities in Imo poll. Faults rec.
This is Prudent News on Prudent MSTV.
Following the numerous irregularities that occasioned the voting exercise in Imo State, Southeast Nigeria, the leadership and members of the Inter-Party Advisory Council, Ipac, in the state have come out to condemn the actions of some of the state and non-state actors who elicited the problems. According to the group who spoke through their chairman, Mr. Uchendu Ahaneku, the numerous ills recorded in the voting process in Imo State are not unconnected to the Inec's leadership in the state, and as such, they seek that the resident electoral commissioner, Professor Sylvia Ago, be called to order by the chairman or be removed if she does not retrieve her steps and allow a free, fair, and credible elections. Also speaking on the development, the state party chairman of Social Democratic Party, SDP, Marshal Okorafor Anyanwu said the irregularities in the election in Imo, if not checkmated and put to a halt, could lead to a serious crisis capable of destroying lives and property.
And it is expected that the first election, after the first election, it will be uploaded and declared there at the polling units and the registration areas. None of such were, none of such took place yesterday. The rec in Imo State to sit up and correct these anomalies. To correct these anomalies. To make sure that the report brought to her is authentic. And all those Inec staff on the field must be called to questioning because most of them compromised. Most of them compromised in several local governments.
To take stringent measure on the and we did report, we did say that group of persons are trying to truncate this process, but the rec took it for granted. As I'm talking to you, most of those results that have been uploaded in Inec, she's aware they are uploading it. How would you, as against what Inec has promised us, that most of these results will be uploaded in the communities and the booths, and at the end of the day, they are at the state headquarters uploading results. What does that show? It shows that the Inec is complicit in what they are doing. They are part and parcel of the people who want to truncate the process. We were calling on the national chairman of Inec to immediately call this woman to order or remove her from here. Because if anything goes in the contrary to subvert the people's will, things may not go right.
Speaking further, the chairman of Action Alliance, who also doubles as the chairman of Ipac in the state, Elder Uchendu Ahaneku, called on the people of the state, especially the youth, to remain calm and endeavor to embrace peace all through the exercise, no matter the outcome of the results.
And we're calling for peace. We want a veritable place. We want a very quiet and peaceful Imo State. We want this election to be credible, and whoever that wins should be declared. As a political party, all of us are in this contest, and if my party loses, if any party loses and loses squarely and clean, then we will allow it go. So Inec should help us not to truncate the same election that they have been campaigning, that will be credible, that will be independent, and that will be peaceful. So they should not truncate it by themselves.
The G12, however, urged the electoral umpire, Inec, not to take the peaceful resolution of the people for granted by allowing any act geared at subverting the will of the masses. From Imo State, Southeast Nigeria, Ajibade Awofeso, Prudent MSTV News.